Right, good morning subscribers. Today we're going to be installing these interior car lights, WILLED brand. They sync to your music. They've got app control and DIY color. You can adjust the colors. You'll see the link in the description below. Right, let's get into it, guys. Right, and that's what comes in the box. That's your main harness, and that's your power harness. Right guys, let's get into it. Right guys, got it finally all installed. The main box is underneath here. The power lead comes from my one USB, goes underneath the dash to the main junction box here, and it splits into its 4 and 2 to the front, which I mounted up there, and the 2 on the sides here, because where the rear seats it won't be safe. Right guys, I'm just gonna install the app and get back to you when it's night time, and see how it is at night. Right guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care. Right ladies and gentlemen, got everything installed. It's at night time now, so you can really see its strength. And I must say it's pretty good. It communicates via Bluetooth with an app, and everything will be linked down in the description if you want to have a look, and please comment any future ideas or thoughts. And thank you so much for all the subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the alarm button. Thank you so much guys, and have a good weekend.